Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 and let me show you how to block calls and messages on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me unlock the screen. Then let's open the phone's dialer, and here let's use this 3 dots icon in that corner. Tap blocked, and as you can see here you can use some call block rules, and you can block all incoming calls, all strangers, and block unknown and hidden numbers. All you need to do is just use these switchers. Let's go back. You can also block messages by blocking the strangers right here, and you may also use this settings icon, and you can here use some blacklist, so you can add a number to the blacklist to block all calls and messages from that number, or you can use the whitelist right here, so you can add a number to the whitelist to allow all calls and messages from that number. All you need to do is just use this add key right here, and you can add manually, you can match prefix, you can add from contacts, from call log, or from messages. And basically that's it. You can also use some keywords to block messages, and you can use all the settings from the following block rules list. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.